I did crash my drone again. Yes, I did. No, not snake. I didn't even crash my drone. Hey guys, this is Ishmael Amti, and this is actually my first time using the Osmo action, so that's what I'm actually shooting on now. So I came to the Bono region, which is close to the Ashanti region, and then to the northern part of Ghana. I had a documentary over here on poor water that's some nearby towns and villages have been using, so looking at improving the water that they use. So I was, should I say, contracted or contacted to do the documentary. This place is very dusty. Oh boy, it's actually the Harmattan season here, and there's so much of dust. Super crazy. Yeah, so I've spent 4 days already here, and 3 days I should say. Today's my 4th day here, and I'm actually leaving to Accra today. I'm a bit late. My bus moves around 8:30 or so I was supposed to do one last video before I move, but it looks like my phone is messing up, which I'm supposed to connect to the drone. But yeah, so I'm heading to one place, which is the Grotto. It's an amazing place, I should say, and yeah, I would get a car from there to the bus terminal so that I don't miss my bus. So I must say my journey here has been awesome, using 2 days to tour almost the entire region. Like, the region is very huge, and I did come by a lot of interesting places, as well as a lot of, should I say, tourist sites. Yeah, one thing I did discover over here is there are lots of rocks, like crazy shaped rocks. So I had a chance to film a couple of them, which you get to see on your screen. So it's a car passing. Whoa, and we have another dust over here. I want to be off this road. Super tired already this morning. Yeah, so most people use motorbike as means of transport over here. Then there's another one, which is a tricycle. Some call it yellow, some call it Mahama Kambu, some call it Mahama Kandu. Yeah, so unfortunately I can't wait for any. The place I'm going to is just about 100 meters from where I am now, so I get there real quick, get my breakfast, and then be off to the bus terminal so I don't miss my bus. So this journey has been an insightful one. It's been like about 2 days. How many kilometers did I even cover in 2 days? Cover like about almost 700 or 800 kilometers in 2 days. Yeah, which went to a lot of places. Some places had good roads, others didn't. So yeah, just like this is even a bit better because it's smooth, but others were very, very bad, and it took us some time to get to our destinations. But yeah, I must say it's been a very good journey for me, and I'm tired, carrying 2 heavy bags. Yeah, I don't know how time moves so fast. I was just like 6 o'clock some few moments ago. All of a sudden, check the time again, it's 7 already. Whoa. So yeah, that's just about it. Thank you very much for watching. Look forward to more updates from my trip. Oh yeah, I did crash my drone again. Yes, I did. No, not snake. I didn't even crash my drone. I had some sort of emergency landing. Yeah, let me put it that way. It came down by itself. and I had to go look for it again in the evening. Yeah, it was close to the evening, like it was almost like 6 o'clock. So look forward to that experience as well. Alright, looks like I have gotten to the grotto. I have like about 50 meters more to cover. Or should even be 100 meters because I have to walk into it. Guys, I'm tired. I'm so tired. Okay, so at this very moment, I'm actually waiting for one priest to take me to the bus terminal. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to walk around the grotto so you get to see the amazing views from this camera and then also from the drone. So if you can see the rocks, so I guess you can see the rocks, and yeah, if you notice, the rocks do have some peculiar kind of shape. Let me just show you this. So if you can see these ones, yeah, so yeah, and then there's a stairs that goes down there, so there's this one as well, and the grotto itself. So let me show you the grotto. Okay, so this is through the gate, and we have these two rocks behind me, and then also there's this where the statue is. So so if you can see that, I guess you see that. And then there are some caves here as well. Now there's my favorite point, which is a bit ahead of me. So these are some caves which are here. There's one here too. Yeah, I'm running out of time, but person to take me is not around, so I just get some time to spend. So there's another cave here, and then this is like top of the rock. Let me just climb this. Yeah, careful. All right, and yeah, my favorite part, where you get to see the entire world. Yeah, so if you notice, the rocks over behind me, and then this is a bit up, and if you notice, the rocks do have some sort of shape, and even from the top it looks incredible. It looks very, very nice and awesome. God is amazing, I should say. So yeah, this is part of the grotto. I'm going to see if I can go to the side I haven't been yet. And okay, here we go. I'll try and descend down a bit, or maybe let me just go over to the place I haven't been because I've descended. Yeah, so this is the Our Lady of Calvary. So Calvary, grotto. Should I go down there? Don't want to. I'm already running out of time. I just have to be close by so in case father comes, then I don't miss him. See the time now, should be close to 8 o'clock already. It's 7:43. So I'll go over to the other side and then we'll take a look at the things over there.